Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if a Steam app not opening on your Windows PC. If you are facing issue with your Steam gaming app opening issues, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on start button and choose restart your system. The first and initial workaround is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major issues on your system. And check whether your Steam is opening or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose task manager. Here look for Steam client services. You may type in search field, otherwise just scroll down and manually search the Steam client service. Simply select it and choose end task. After that, check whether your Steam gaming app is opening or not. Next fixes, go to Windows, right click on start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key to launch Windows settings. Here from the left side, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates, and if any updates available, then simply download and install it in your system. Thereafter go to advanced options and here click on optional updates, and if any optional update available, download and install it in your system. And check whether your Steam system Steam app is opening or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Temporarily disable antivirus. So open control panel in your system and here look for Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. Here from the left side, choose turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and turn off Windows Defender Firewall for both the network under private network as well as public network. Turn off Windows Defender Firewall and check whether your Steam app is opening or not. If your Steam app is opening, then turn on your Windows Defender Firewall again. And check whether your Steam app is opening or not. The one more fixes is reinstall Steam app. To do so, first we will uninstall Steam app. Right click on start button, choose settings. Here from the left side, go to apps settings. Thereafter go to right side and click on installed apps. In search field, type Steam and click on three horizontal dot against Steam app and choose uninstall. A pop-up window will appear. Again choose uninstall and reinstall a fresh